Onto a GRAVITAS special report, an economic think tank saying Bihar should withdraw its prohibition on alcohol as the ban has been a complete failure. According to the research papers by the National Council of Applied Economic Research, the ban has failed to reduce crimes against women and has been accompanied by a rise in illicit liquor and alternative intoxicants. In fact, this is India's oldest and largest independent economic policy think tank, just for context. And its president is also heading the centre's 6-member task force to overhaul India's public examination system and restructure the National Testing Agency. The research paper examined the economic and social impact of Bihar's prohibition of alcohol, which was introduced in April 2016. According to the paper, the primary reasons for introducing prohibition were the belief that alcohol consumption contributed significantly to domestic violence and that households would redirect money previously spent on alcohol towards more productive uses. At the time, women's groups and activists had also strongly backed the plan. They had argued that prohibition would reduce alcohol-related abuse. However, the researchers said available data shows results were not as expected. Reported crimes against women in Bihar have not declined following the ban. Instead, the number has increased over the post-2016 period. The paper said the ban coincided with concerns over expansion of illicit liquor networks, enforcement difficulties, and corruption. And it also pointed to increased use of alternative intoxicants, including illicit drugs. The prohibition also hit state revenues. Before prohibition, excise duty on alcohol accounted for about 14% of the revenues in the 3 years preceding the ban. The government then incurred higher expenditure on monitoring, enforcement, and anti-smuggling operations, which the paper said added to fiscal pressures. According to the think tank, restoring liquor excise duty to pre-ban levels can increase the state's revenues by 14 to 15%. And simultaneously, it would also reduce expenditure on enforcement and anti-smuggling operations. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.